Here's definition 1. It's the definition of an isomorphism. An isomorphism between two vector spaces V and W is a map F from V to W. 1 is a correspondence. F is 1 to 1 and onto. Okay. What does that mean? Well, in this mapping, F being, so if you studied functions, right, most of you, and I'm assuming everybody here watching the video has studied functions. Well, functions can be onto, right, 1 to 1 and onto. So what does 1 to 1 mean? Well, remember, it means that for every value in the range, right, for example, just talking functions, there is exactly one value in the domain that maps to it, okay? And for every individual, or at every value in the domain, there is exactly one value in the range that it comes from, okay? So that's what we mean by 1 to 1. Now, onto means that everything in the range gets hit. So everything in the range is mapped from a value in the domain. Okay, so that's what we mean. So again, an isomorphism between two vector spaces W and V is a map F from V to W is a hold on a second. I'm missing something there. Oh, that. Yeah, I knew something wasn't right. Okay. So an isomorphism between two vector spaces V and W is a map, right, from V to W, so this is the way to write it. That one is a correspondence, which means that F is 1 to 1 and onto. And 2, it preserves structure, which we've talked about, we've seen in the last two examples. So if vector 1 and vector 2 are in the vector space V, then these two operations, these two structures are preserved, meaning that the function of the sum of the vectors is equal to the sum of the function of each individual vector. And if vectors in V and R is in the real, so some real scalar, then this is also preserved, right? Now, if this is true, if this exists, then the way we denote it is using this symbolism. V, and this is isomorphic, right, to W. Okay? So we say V is isomorphic to W. Now, just so you know, morphism, the word morphism means mapping, so a map, and iso, so isomorphism, iso means same, so isomorphism is a map that is the same. Okay, so meaning that a map that expresses sameness. Okay, that's it.